Introducing the Tai Chi basic steps. Feet together. Keep your knees soften, hips soften, upright. Calm and relax. Knees, hips sink down. Step to the side, parallel step. Left heel up. Step open to side. Hip width apart, toe down, heel down. And body weight shift between your feet and rise. And making sure your toes pointing forward, your inner edge feet parallel, and your shoulder above your sole of your feet and upright. When we come back, knees, hips sink first. Gravity shift towards the right foot, left heel up, and then step in and rise. When we step to the side and return, always keep your gravity same level. So, for example, we bend your knees, same level, step side, same level, and we shift to the left and jump in, still same level. Slow and lighter. So we know up, down, up and down. So always keep constant. Gravity, always keep constant. Good. Relax your arms behind the hip. Doesn't matter which hand hold your wrist. Keep your shoulder, elbow relaxed. T-stomps. Left toe tap down. 80% body weight on the right foot. 20% on the left foot. Your waist guide your shoulder, slightly turning to left side, to the side, about 45 degrees diagonally. Step your left foot out, heel down. How big step? Make sure your balance still stable. Yeah, right knee slightly bent. Heel, so your toe not turn up more than 6 degrees, which is stress your shin, knee and hips. Lower, about 40-45 degrees, so your knee, hip soften. Draw your left foot down, transition, and bend your front knee, straight your back. Leg, heel slightly turn out. Make sure your left knee not over your toe, just above your shins, so your knee pointing to your toe direction. Your feet also not in one line, which is your balance will be wobbly. Feet into line, feet still hip width apart. Back knee, no block too straight, no bend too much. Just slightly soften, but gravity sink down, both feet solid. We transition to empty stomps. Shift body weight to the back foot. And left toe up. Which twist your left toe to the left side. About 45 degrees. Both stomps. And tap the right toe in T-stomps. Diagonally, turning to the right. Waist turning, guide your legs. Empty stomps. Both stomps. Remember the back heel turn out. Yeah, just turning out. 70% body weight on front foot, 30% on back foot. About. Empty stomps. Right toe, lift, twist to the right in about 45 degrees angle. And take your left toe in. T-stomps. Empty stomps. Both stomps. T-stomps. And then relax. Good. Let's do it together. Knees, hips sink. T-stomps. Empty stomps. Both stomps. Empty stomps. T stance, gravity send. Empty stance, both stance. T stance, both stance. Empty stance. T stance. Empty stance. Both stance. T stance. Relax. Good. Hello, Swan.